Uy, Cho! Ang gwapo naman talaga ni Maricho! May Maricho! Uy, may Chanel 5! Yun yung baccarat.
Before we start, but for now, again, you can still enjoy some pastries at the grazing table and definitely take some photos at your selfie later on, okay? So once again, I only have 10 seconds. Kailangan nandito na po yung table representative in 10, 9, 8, kailangan pa ata ng baby. 7, 6, wala nang hahabol. 5, 4, 3, last 3 seconds. Pag wala nang representative, 2, wala nang hahabol, and 1. Let's find out. One line, please. One line. Okay, I assume we have 13 tables set up. So let us see, where's from table 1? Table 1 representative, 2, table 2, 3. One of our players is of course foreign, so I have to speak in English first, and then I'll just translate again our full instruction. Pero hindi ko naman magigets nyo agad. So ladies and gentlemen, for our pre-program game, we are about to do our name that shoots / ding dong dance. Okay, so you just have to guess the title of the song that our DJ will play, and after that, please show us some few dance steps based on that song. Okay, and by the way, okay, listen up. Whoever got the correct answer first will be first in line in the buffet station or eating time, plus you will receive a cash prize. Okay. So, dalawang ayan, sige po. Kaya mo daw yan, ma'am. Don't worry, this is from different generation naman yung i-play natin. Yung iba-iba. Ayan, sige po. Okay, ano po yun? Ay, masakit. Last na po yan na wala ng panita. Wala na. Last na. Okay, anyway, we'll start. No pushing. Listen carefully before we start. Palakpakan na naman po muna mga representative nyo. Share nyo sila. Okay, meanwhile, get ready for our first song. DJ, music please. If you know the answer, you have to go here. Go! Lapit! If you know the answer, you have to do it. Alright, without any doubt, he sang it perfectly. Can we do it one more time? Okay, everybody, clap your hands for table number 2. Alright, go. Ready? will just give a very few minutes to the family to have a quick picture taking. And after that, of course, we will have our prayer to be led by Miss Rachel Banlito. Ayan po. Andiyan po ba si Rachel? Again, to Cheska, happy birthday. Talaga naman, you really look stunning tonight. And of course, everybody is looking forward to celebrate your special day. So, Cheska, again, happy birthday. And yes. Okay, and of course, let us also welcome Elijah Warren, the cutest pamangkin of our Darlington birthday dad. Hi, Elijah. Okay,
Give it to Tata.
give to Ate Cheska. There you go.
Papa, dance Tata, dance Tata, dance Tata, dance Tata. Papa, picture.
Yes, and photo with Ate.
Papa,
Kita pa nga.
Kaja, dance Tata, dance. Dance, dance.
Dance a little.
Hold her hands. Hold her hands.
Just like that.
Yeah. Aww. Papa, dance.
By the way, watch and stay for the last 20 minutes for our photo booth. Again, last 20 minutes for the photo booth. There we go. Okay.
Hug Tata, hug.
And
Hug.
Elijah, hug.
Hug Tata. Hug Tita,
Cheska.
hug.
There you go. Good job. Okay, next to Elijah, let's welcome Mr. Neil Warren. The funny
Aww.
and the first brother-in-law of our debutante. Okay, picture muna po, sir.
Take a
Let's have
photo.
photo together.
Good boy, baby. I'm so proud of you.
Okay, go ahead.
Good job, baby. You had fun? Yeah? Did you give the flower to Tata? Yeah?
Okay, and of course, Sir Neil, a gentle turn.
Yeah. Your turn.
He wants to turn us about. Okay, just stay there, Mr.
Okay.
Neil, because now, ladies and gentlemen, ito naman po, ang unang lalaki, syempre, sa buhay ni Cheska, the loving and supportive, but most especially, nakakatakot matignan, but soft-hearted ng papa ni Cheska. Everybody, palakpakan naman natin, Daddy. We want you at the VR. There you go, for our father and daughter dads. Mamaya nakasmile pa si Daddy, mamaya maluha na yan, ha? Ayan, sige po. There you go. Picture, ayun o. O, picture muna daw, Daddy. Picture daw muna sa liyan bago tayo mag-dance with Cheska. Okay, sige po, go ahead. Sayo niyo na pala. take two. Ayan. Tapos yakap ng mahigpit naman siya, Daddy. Yakap po ng mahigpit. Ayun. There you go. Once again for our father and our Teresa. Okay, and this time, syempre mas maganda in person kaysa video. And of course, another Ate Catherine Warren. Ayan. May baon na rin tissue.
Parang kulang.
Kulang na po. Okay. Picture daw po muna.
Meron ako microphone din. For the content.
Yes.
Hello. Wait, open ko muna yung letter ko. Sino po yung nagtupi? Neil folded it. Neil folded it. Dear Cheska Nicole, happy 18th birthday. Wait, hindi ko mabasa. It's hard to believe you're officially an adult now. I still remember the day you were born, like it was yesterday. So naalala ko, nasa hospital ako nun kasi nanganak si Mama sa hospital kung saan ako nag-aaral. I was so proud to have helped to choose your name. Kasi dapat lahat C. So, ako yung nakaisip ng Cheska. Pero hindi nagpakabog. Dapat daw Z, hindi S. Dapat daw Cheska Nicole. From the beginning, you've held a special place in my heart. So many people thought that you were my daughter. And in some ways, I guess that made sense. I've always felt protective of you, always wanted the best for you, always brag about you, like only a big sister could. When I moved to Australia, and you were only 4, I know that, dear Charo, I know that time and distance changed things between us. Wala na nga akong alam about you eh. Sometimes I felt like we're not as close as we used to be. Ngayon ko nga lang narinig yung mga story about what happened to your life. And honestly, that makes me a little sad. But no matter how far apart we are, or how much time passes, you'll always be my little sister, my baby. That will never change. As you step into this new chapter of adulthood, I want you to know how proud I am of the person you've become. You're so smart, strong, beautiful, and kind. And I know you're going to do amazing things, especially with your future studies. Maglalasal ka, okay? Please remember that I'm always here for you, whether you need advice, support, or just someone to talk to. Don't ever hesitate. You always have a big sister who loves you and is cheering you on, no matter what. I love you.
Okay, thank you so much, Ate Catherine. Okay, and of course, actually we still have already. And Wacky Toes. There you go. Thank you so much, ladies. Palakpakan naman po natin sila for the F4 statement, please.
Dear Sister Nicole, I'm going to try and read this without crying. Can't believe that you are now 18 years old. I fondly remember when you were still a toddler and everyone thought that you were my daughter. When we used to go to market, enjoy your special night, and we wish we were there. Proceed.
Okay, so ready na rin pa with our song. DJ music, please. Okay, everybody, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, everybody. Happy birthday. Ready this time, you mas masaya naman po dyan. Ready and sing. Happy birthday to you, everybody. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Ayun, napasayaw na si Tito. Okay, just close your eyes and make a wish. And we all hope that all your wishes will do come true. Okay, whenever you're ready, give me a thumbs up. Good now. Ready in 1, 2, 3, and blow. Alright, everybody say happy birthday, Cheska. In 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Cheska. Everybody may now be seated, and we still have 3 more traditions left. Plus, grand prizes await you for those who would love to win a grand prize. Ayan, abangan niyo po paano kung manalo at sumali. Once again, for now, ready na niyo po. Stand by niyo po agad yung next table. Okay, so once again, enjoy your meal and we'll be right back. Thank you. Also, heads up to our performance. Okay, wait a second now. Give her the blushing on her second gown. There you go. Okay, everybody, palakpakan naman natin Miss Cheska. Okay, there you go, Cheska. You can take your seat again. And of course, again po, makapilati na rin. Naka-flex. Again, ready? To complete the OOTD, please welcome Veronica Juarez. Let's go, Veronica. Okay. And pose. Look at the camera. Nice pose.
And for lasting this one. I remember when I was 8 years old, I watched Ate Camille walk out in her gown during her dinner. I didn't even understand who I mean the book, but I knew that I wanted to feel that way. To Mama and Papa, I don't know how to say thank you enough. Every day, you both wake up early and work hard just to give us a life we can be proud of. Thank you for being my home, for showing me what it means to work hard, to love fully, and to keep going no matter what. Growing up with 4 older sisters was like living with 4 versions of who I could become. To my sisters, thank you for being the blueprint. Each of you helped raise me in your own way. I know life has taken you in different directions, and you have your own families now, but your presence is always with me. To my friends, I know I'm not always easy to love. Sometimes I overthink, I get too quiet. Minsan parang hindi ko kasama, but you stayed, you chose me, you saw me when I was invisible to myself, and I will never forget that. To SGC Events Management, Ate Choi Cedric, and MP Digital Photo and Films, thank you so much for making tonight truly magical. From planning to execution, everything was beautiful. And most importantly, I am grateful to God. I am grateful for His guidance, for His strength in times when I felt weak, and for the love He has poured into my life to the people here. Without Him, none of this would be possible. Tonight, I don't just turn 18. I'm stepping into the world with shaky hands and a heart full of every lesson, every sacrifice, every quiet moment I never said thank you for. Thank you.
Okay, there you have it. And of course, all together, can we say or greet Cheska a happy birthday? All together, happy birthday, Cheska. In 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Cheska! Happy birthday once again, Miss Cheska Nicole Ganyar.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. So let us dance this night away.
The time is not correct as what you see on the screen right now because we haven't changed time zone on the DJI on the camera. So it's saying an hour and a half different than what it is. So really it's saying what is just after midnight. So it's saying something like it is like 1:30 or something like that. But we are done for the night. We are completely done. We're home. Well, we're back in our Airbnb. A very good night. Very nice night. Happy birthday, Nicole. Everyone say happy birthday. Elijah is currently on the bed, sound asleep. Right there. He fell asleep pretty early. We're all going to bed now because we're all very, very tired and it's very, very late. It's been a big day. So thank you very much for watching. Please do your thing. Like the video, please. Comment below. And we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.